Hey everybody, Gulf Coast EDC here. Got a quick unboxing review for you. Something a little bit different today. If you saw the thumbnail and everything, then you know what's up. So this is the Miyoo Mini Plus. And this is kind of how it came. I guess Amazon had it in stock because when I ordered it, it was just chucked in with a bunch of other stuff that they delivered. So does it come in a box? Just that bag. And then you get the carrying case, which is pretty nice. It has some kind of art shell on there. You got a handle strap, zipper. What's that say? Redev zone, C-Red dev zone. I don't know. All right, so it's how you get a cord for charging. Get some screen wipes. Instructions, that's cool. Oh, this is an adapter for the SD card. Ooh, glass screen protector, that's nice. I have screen protectors on all of my stuff, so. Oh, and some stickers. I like stickers. And I gotta say, these are some terrible stickers, though. There's those super cheap paper ones that rip and leave residue everywhere, so gotta be sure. I love where I'm putting them. Let's see, and then of course we get the Miyoo Mini Plus itself. All right, that's everything here. Okay. So it comes with a nice protector. That's cool. And there it is. Now it comes in different flavors. You can get it in the smoke black. I think there's like a blue version. There's also a white version that kind of, you know, mimics the Super Nintendo from across the sea there. And I went with a classic. I'm old, so this more matches regular NES aesthetic. So got a nice size screen there, some standard buttons. They're glossy. It's pretty nice. You can see that sheen on them. Buttons feel good. So does the directional stick, or pad, sorry, directional pad. Yeah, since I grew up playing NES and I still have one, you know, it doesn't feel quite as robust as that, but for a handheld unit, it does feel pretty good. Select and start. You got some shoulder rockers back here. It's pretty nice. I've seen reviews that they're saying they're a bit of an improvement, so it's pretty good. Well, oh, now that I got a bunch of fingerprints on it, let's, oh, that's good. It has a protector still, so I just got fingerprints on the protector. I can live with that. Let's turn this thing on and see what's up. Okay, so you can hold down the power button to get it on. Okay, so it looks like 2600, 7800 arcade, FC, GBA. Okay, it's them up and down. Got some LEDs here to show us some status. Okay, SD card, micro SD card, charging slot, headphone slot. Yeah, pretty nice. Well, since there's an unboxing first impressions, let's get a size comparison. So we'll keep it like this instead of being funny like a knife. So here's the Miyoo Mini Plus. And let's see, let's do a Zelda Game & Watch. Alright, so you can see it's a little bit bigger than a Zelda Game & Watch. I guess if you go sideways though, pocket-wise it's going to be pretty similar, a little bit wider. And then Game Boy Advance SP. So if we look at this guy, you know, screen flipped out, definitely going to be bigger, take up more real estate. Now if we fold it closed, just a little bit bigger. But let's see, if we look at our screens, it's a bigger screen, the Miyoo Mini Plus. Also, you know, you have the ability to play all kinds of games, 2600, 7800, you know, your PS1 games will play on it. Just see if my Game & Watch will turn on. Might be dead, I might not have charged the battery on this guy. Yeah, PS1 games all the way back to 2600, so a lot more options, of course, on the emulator, right? Has a beautiful screen on it, and you know, there'll be some that probably say, hey, this is an ETC. But I would argue and say that it can go in your pocket, it can go with you. And you think about all the places now you might not be, you could tow this thing to work, right? Just like a pocket knife or anything else. Is it going to come in handy? Is it going to save you from a car that you've just driven into a lake? No. It's also not going to cut your snacks up at lunchtime or open cardboard boxes, but it will keep you entertained. And, you know, I guess there are arguments pro and con. Mine's going to be pro because I also happen to love playing video games. So, checking this out, I would say size-wise, it's definitely a comparison with other handheld systems that are similar. I think functionality-wise, a lot more opportunities with this to play a lot more games, all kinds of different games. You know, really just libraries of games that you can play on this. Haven't tested it fully, so can't really speak to battery life, but most reviews are saying that hours of play out of this before recharge is needed, which is really nice. You can throw that in a bag, you know, your bug out bag, or you know, your pocket, or in, you know, your car or truck, and whenever you're stuck in gridlock traffic for your commute, or you know, you're out on a fishing trip, or anytime you're bored, you can just bust this out and start playing. Nice thing is it can save your games in a suspended state. So, you know, you're playing multiple games, and you know, you're playing, you know, maybe you're playing Minish Cap, or you know, you're playing some other game that you're in the middle of. You can start a game of Tetris and just start knocking that out in between other games. So that's really nice about this. So the other nice thing is that as opposed to the original Miyoo Mini, where you just could never buy one unless, you know, you were, let's face it, you couldn't buy one unless you were a bot or a reseller, or you knew somebody. So those were difficult to find, and they're in small numbers because of the parts. They're just having a hard time. But the nice thing is that the parts are plentiful for this. Like I said, on Amazon, a little over $80. I think with shipping and everything, I'm probably like right around $82 or something like that, and maybe $85. So definitely worth the money. When these were for sale, brand new, let's say they started at $99 and up. So this is a really good value for what it is. So yeah, so you got the Miyoo Mini Plus. Let me know, are you gamers? Do you like to play video games? Are you just outdoorsy type and you don't care about video games? let me know in the comments. And if you have a preferred handheld system, let me know what it is. Personally, you know, this isn't actually an actual Game Boy Advance SP. I got this one, and it has the upgraded screen in it. I think a funny IPS screen in it. Updated battery, so get better battery life, and also the screen looks fantastic on it, right? Which I think is right in line with this screen here. So, but let me know in the comments if you like this kind of stuff. Like and subscribe, and as always, I appreciate you hanging out, and I'll see you on the next one.